Hey everyone, this is Ali again. I wish everyone is having a good day and thanks for visiting my channel. I will show you how to put this tire bumper back, tire guard back after removing it. So we will install it and put it back together. And I'm gonna show you how. Simple, easy, 13mm socket. It goes right here, these two bolts and these two bolts and one on the side right there, the upper one. So let's set you and let's get this done. Right, let me just stick the phone. So sorry about that. I do want you to see this. And I hope this is right, guys, let's get to it. Easy, simple. Get the car. Let me wear safety first, guys. Wear your gloves. Plastic part going down. Bring that. Set it in your tire like that. Get your bolts together. You have 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have total 5 bolts. So set them somewhere. Get them ready. Take this right from the inside. Untie it all the way. Just a little to help, you know. So this is, like I said, inspect your bolts. Make sure the bolts are good. You don't want to put any bad bolts in there. Breaks and you get in trouble. Very tight as well. Sticky bolt. You have a plastic clamp in the side. Some of them do have bolts. Just try to put it back. So just put it back. Put the rest of your screw. Make sure the bumper